The booty jiggle just a little, just a little, just a little. Wow, 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 wow. Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So today I will be doing a Fashion Nova haul. It's going to be really based off of clothing that you can go to the beach in, some beach wear, and also I'm going to be having just some lounge wear for around the house and everything, some very comfortable clothes. And I will also leave in the description box my size, my weight, my height, all that good stuff. So if you guys do choose to order it, you can kind of see where you may, you know, fall into the sizes and everything that would best fits you. And I will leave the links in the description box below for all of the clothes that I am trying on today. So let's get right to it. First piece that we have, which I think is so cute, is the Sunset Cliff Cutout one-piece swimsuit. It's a lavender color. I got it in a large, and I also got another one in the white color. It's so cute to me. A few things I do like about it: the color, of course, and then also I like that on the back you have the adjustable straps as well. So, you know, you can adjust the girls like you need to. Your titties can be tittying like you didn't know. But only kind of this like one thing, it's nothing too serious, but in the back, you know, the bottom of the bathing suit, it doesn't ride up and high enough for me. Like it kind of cuffs my booty a little bit too much, kind of making it make some weird shape. I don't know. It's nothing too extreme. It's not a deal breaker for me not to wear the bathing suit. I just decided to add a little zhuzh to that. I did add the hat. This hat is called the Vacation Mode on Sun hat. You know, it's giving very much Meredith Blake bougie, and I'm here for it. I love this hat. It's so cute. It's so summer, and you can basically wear it with anything that you wear out to the beach or the pool, whatever. I'm here for it. Okay, so this bikini right here, pressure pack. Big pressure. Pressure. Two-piece bikini is called Peer Pressure two-piece bikini. Love the brown. I got it in a medium set. I usually wear a large bottoms, but I did get a medium because I'm like, hey, if it turns to a thong, it turns to a thong. I just need something to hold up the girls. So a few things that I do like about this bikini, that it has the wiring underneath on the bra. Oh my gosh, I love this because I do not have the most perkiest of titties. So, and then I like the fact that it holds them secure with the tie in the front and the tie on the back up top. So, you know, you can secure your girls down however you see fit. And the bottoms, hey, you know, girl, do your thing, show your ass, Baywatch. But let's go ahead and get into the next outfit. This is called the Off to Toronto Blouse. It's a teal combo. I did get the shirt in a medium size. So a couple things that I do like about it is that, you know, it's flowy, it's airy, it's light. It can show up your midriff area. It's cute. You know, it's very classy, it's very light. A couple things I don't like about it, it says it is a teal combo. Now, when I went onto the website, the color of the shirt does show more of a teal greenish color, but when you do order it, you know, when it comes to you, it's a little bit, you know, more on the black side. I did read the reviews before I bought it, and I saw that, hey, the shirt doesn't, you know, naturally come, you know, scrunched up in the back. It comes longer. So all they did was tuck it in. That's the same thing that I did as well. But either way, it's a cute shirt. 9 out of 10. Also, what I noticed that this shirt is not even a button up. You can't just wear it anywhere and just button it. It's going to be a midriff shirt regardless. The next one is the Let's Talk About Us Maxi skirt. It is in the color taupe. I did get a size medium. What I do like about this skirt is that it's a pretty nice thick material. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It's long. And what I also love is it has a little surprise. I didn't even know. I don't even think I looked through the pictures enough when I bought the skirt. It has a little slit in the back. Little surprise. It's very cute. So even though it's a little bit thick of material, it's still very airy, you know, in the back. So, you know, it's hot outside. It won't be as hot. It's not just a full-blown maxi skirt. All right, so let's get into this next one. It is the Live for the Frill maxi dress. I did get it in a size medium. It is the teal combo. I don't think it actually comes in any other color anyway. So of course I do love the slit, like I said before, slit, because I'm tall and I love to show my legs. I love a good slit. Also, it's light, it's frilly, it's fun. It's definitely screaming beach, me please. Or just like a night out to dinner, to be honest. Dress up with some heels, a nice little top hat. It's very cute. What is crazy about this is that I saw this same dress on someone else's boutique and it was so overpriced. It was like 180 bucks. But then I went on a Fashion Nova a couple days ago and this dress is like $40. Cap. Big cap. But let's get into the next dress. All right, so let's get into the loungewear portion of this video. This is the Stroll Maxi dress. It is in the color navy and it is a medium size. The material is a thick material. It doesn't feel cheap at all. And you know, it doesn't hug too close underneath your armpits. I hate shirts that, you know, cuff your armpit, like you can't even raise your hand up, but that it's very good underneath the arms. It's a stretchy material, which I do like, so it's a very comfortable dress. Okay, everybody, so this outfit is the most reliable jumpsuit. I got it in a heather gray and it's a size medium. This is a lounge around the house or, you know, go to the airport, you know, type fit. It's very relaxing. This material is very, very soft, stretchy, of course. The booty jiggle just a little, just a little, just a little. Wow, 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 wow. You know, Nova gave a little razzle dazzle to it, put a little off shoulder to the jumpsuit. You know, it's nothing too much, but it's just enough. Not really anything bad to say about this outfit. I saw the reviews online. Everyone said that they love the jumpsuit. It's cool with me. 10 out of 10. All right, so this outfit is the Kickback Legging Set. Of course, color black, and I got it in a large. This outfit is my least favorite of them all. Just a few things that I do like about it. First, the material is very soft. It's very comfortable, you know, lounge around and around the house and everything. I think that's about it. Cons. The shirt's too big. And the thing is, you cannot order the shirt and the leggings separately. They come in one size. What I don't like about the leggings is that in the middle part, it sags too much. It doesn't come up high enough. So I have to keep on like stretching. I have to keep on trying to grab the leggings to try to pull them up some more so it can be comfortable. I am 5'11", so it does fit all the way down to my ankles, but still in the middle, that's where you lost me. I do not favor this outfit too much. I give it a 4. And I did forget that I did get a few pair of like business-like / brunch pants. The Victoria high-waisted dress pants. I got these in 2 colors. I got it in a mauve and then I got it in a hunter green. It's also a large as well. I love the fact that they come all the way down past my ankles to the bottom of my feet. They fit me just right. They come up high my waist, accentuate all the curves, and they show that cuff on the booty, which is what we all want. So I love the length of them. I love how they feel. They're comfortable. Okay, so this next skirt that I have is the Play No Games faux leather midi skirt. It's in the color mocha and I got a size large. I should have listened to the reviews. The skirt is okay. It's okay looking. I was like, okay, this might be kind of cute. It does have the little slit. Okay, yeah, whatever. Talk about that all day. However, ma'am, this skirt stinks. It stinks. It came out the bag stinking, like pew. Y'all, this skirt stinks. Like, I have to let it air out. I should listen to the daggone reviews. People in the reviews, oh my gosh, this skirt stinks. I had to let it air out for a couple days. Me over here, I'm just like, oh, maybe I'm the anomaly. I'll catch a good batch. You thought. Girl, no. You got that stank skirt like everybody else does. So I have to like literally let this sit and air out and wash it because it smells awful. You cannot take on and off the straps to tie it in a bow. They're gonna have to come with it or just cut it off. It's gonna look stupid after that. But yeah, cut it off if you want to. I don't like the bow too much. I give this outfit a 5. All right, everybody, that is it. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel and watching all the way through and to enjoy these pieces. Once again, I will leave the links for everything below. If you want to see how I achieved this look with this hair, I will leave that link below as well. It's one of my most recent videos that I just posted. Please let me know if you would like to see me do any more hauls. This was my first haul from Fashion Nova. I think I might do a little bit more from Zara or Shein or Pretty Little Thing or something like that. Please let me know also if you would like to see me do anything like business wear or casual wear or, you know, some more bathing suits or anything like that. Please let me know what you guys would like to see or anything that I may have missed in this video that you would like me to include for next time in the description so you guys can get a better feel off of the clothes and what sizes that you guys should get. I did have a, and when I did make this order with Fashion Nova, I ordered it and I put it in as a rush order. I ordered my clothes at 2:30 p.m. and my clothes were here, my box was here the next day at 5:30 p.m. Good job, Fashion Nova. It's just the least you could do because every other time that I order and you say it's rush deal, it's not here on time. It's not here. It's still 3 to 4 days and I ain't like that. But today you made up. Thank you. So guys, thank you so much once again. Please do not forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you next time. Bye.